So I want to ask y'all a serious question right quick. Y'all never thought to yourself that Marwa and his whole family could be manipulating y'all? Y'all never thought to yourself that even when it comes to Uncle Mo, that all of us sit to the table together to try to play and pretend on each other like they having problems with each other just to get money out y'all? Y'all never thought about it like that? That's why I bring it up. And I said to them, well, there's people in Africa that need food and water. Let's see if they'll go towards them. No, they're trying to build up their own village for their own selfish intent. That's the only reason they're trying to build up houses in their own village, because I guess whatever's around Marwa, they want it to look good. They are selfish. They're all about their self. Think about it. Mama Ann, they need a house. Why Marwa was so much into building Mama Ann that house? I guess because he was ashamed of her mud house with his mansion by his mud house. That could be the case. Only thing I'm just trying to tell y'all to do, open your eyes up. Once y'all tell Marwa what's the explanation on what Mo is saying about he can't get no water from the river, because maybe Mo is lying too. Maybe Mo is running some game. Now all of a sudden Davey Jr. comes out with a video talking about he want to open up more business now, running a bunch of games. Listen to the way Davey Jr. trying to pretend like he's so sick and he's so down and out. It's a mind manipulation tactic. But let me tell you what Davey Jr. said to one of his followers. They came on his post and said to Davey Jr., you acting just like Marwa now. You doing the same thing he doing. And you know what Davey Jr. said? Yeah, you best believe family first. We know family first. You mind manipulating your audience. That's all you doing. You mind manipulating your subscribers. Davey Jr. and Mo and all of them is together with this. Y'all need to confront him and tell Marwa what is the deal with the water at the river. Because guess what, people? It could all be a lie. Just to pretend to y'all and get money out y'all. Read between the lines. It's lies, game, and deceiving people. That's why I said what I said. It's people out there who real life starving. People out there who real life thirsty. Go help them people out. Stop trying to be selfish with the intent to manipulate the subscribers. But the good thing is right now, GoFundMe want to know where is the money at. Where is the money?
It's the King of Trouble talk show with real experience, with real culture and people across the world. Let's travel.
Order in the court, man. Today is a beautiful day. I just want to update everybody what's happening at this point. You know what I'm saying, in my court of law, everything is coming together for everybody. You know, there's a lot of concerned citizens about the situation. You know what I'm saying, with the GoFundMe situation. You know, we push the situation. A lot of people, you know what I'm saying, like I couldn't really do much in my court of law until we get more evidence and what's happening. So I just want to give the people an update right quick. This video won't be too long. You know, this video is getting straight to the point. Right now, we don't know the exact court date, exactly what's going on, but we're going to see how this situation pan out. But we calling in some jewelry. We're probably going to take this as a jewelry trial at this point. But right now, the good thing about it, GoFundMe has launched an investigation. So I must give a big props to GoFundMe at this point. Has launched an investigation. And, you know, the main person behind the GoFundMe, Mr. Aaron Dante, is being held accountable, you know, for his actions at this point. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just waiting on some more evidence to come in here, and we'll be good to go. You know, once we get more evidence in the situation, then we'll take it to the next level. But in the meantime, everything is pretty much on not on the standstill. Everybody be quiet. Let's go. So right now, we're just trying to do more investigation of the situation. But we couldn't do much until GoFundMe asked for proof, you know. So we were sitting on the situation for a little bit because we had to get enough of the audience to go to GoFundMe, because I told y'all they was looking for their money. You know what I'm saying? Because people just you have to be transparent when it comes to GoFundMe, man. And I don't want anybody to think that I'm trying to give anybody a hard time, but you have to understand, man, it's a lot of scams out here. a lot of organized crimes and people trying to scam people out of money. And GoFundMe is a major platform. You know, with GoFundMe, give people the opportunity to invest in situations that, you know, to help out family members and stuff like that. But you have to hold people accountable for their actions, you know. You know, it saddens my heart, you know, to see that, you know, people in Africa over there having a hard time in some of the stories. And you know, we just want to, you know, do some good donations towards some people that really needed donations, you know. And the problem is, well, we have to be very careful when it comes to people. What happens sometimes, people, what they do is they say the donations is for one thing when it's for another. You get what I'm trying to say? And that's the issue that we face, you know, and you have to be careful. And that just really is get. But order in the court. I just want to say something to you too, Marwa. You know, I heard you trying to launch an investigation on us with lawyers and stuff like that and take us to trial and stuff like that. But you have to understand something, my brother. I'm a judge, king judge, and I'm at the highest over the lawyers. So I just want to explain something to you. We as reactors reacting against the situation. But at the same time, we launching a big investigation because you have to understand something, brother. We was asking you to show the money. You know, this wasn't just us personally. People was on our messages saying, man, listen, we put money towards this situation. You know, we want to know what was going on with the Afro Indians. And people was coming to us, okay? People that they donated money with y'all. So we just doing our job. You can't get mad at us for doing our job. Just like people coming to me right now talking with your brother Davey Jr. And let me tell you something, bro. You tell your brother Davey Jr. we got him a full investigation, brother. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. So this ain't nothing where we doing this. You feel me? End of the day, matter of fact, I'm trying to pull up the message about Davey Jr. right now. Because now they telling me Davey Jr. trying to talk about something else he trying to. Come on, man. Like, bro, every time y'all turn around, bro, y'all asking for money. What's up with y'all? And your boy Aaron, let me tell you something, bro. If you such a multi-millionaire, man, stop asking people for money all the time, man. Bro, if you're a multi-millionaire, you know what I'm saying? Why you always asking for money, bro? I mean, if you got so much money with multi-million-dollar companies, stop asking for money. It's simple, bro. I mean, look at this right here. King David just released a video today with his dubious voice. Yeah, you know what dubious voice. Hey, this is King Davey. Hey, I just wanted to let y'all know that I got this going on and we want to see, can you donate some money towards this cause, you know. We definitely appreciate it, you know. Nah. Stop it. Order in the court. That ain't going to happen, David Jr. Let me see. King David just released a video today with his soft, dubious voice. Uncle Mo's house and fence is nearly complete. Now David wants to set up a business for him. Now I see David is a thief as well. He continues to use Mo's house for views. Now donors are asked for a business. This is too much. David is the same as the rest of them. You see what I'm saying? Y'all gonna keep my courtroom going all day long. All in the court. And that's the mess I'm talking about. David Jr., let me tell you something, man. Please, bro. Please, brother. Let me tell you something. You got the court upset. Because let me tell you something. This is what I'm talking about. All y'all going to the internet all day, beg for money, beg for money, beg for money. Bro, that's why we on y'all like white on rice, bro. We ain't stupid, bro. We know what y'all doing. Now Uncle Mo trying to open up a business. Bro, let me tell you what the problem is. Y'all done get a little bit of dose of money. It's almost like somebody don't know how to act when they get money. Like they never touch money a day in their life. The minute they touch money, they go crazy. And that's what y'all doing right now, bro. Like y'all, people are getting tired, bro. These are people who was donating money to y'all before. They are upset. They want us reactors to react. That's what they want us to do. They asking us to do this. So we're not doing this personally. We are getting the message from the audience. So when we reactors reacting on the situation, just best believe you me. This ain't about hate. The people coming to us because we the one that's taking stands for the people. Stop asking for people for money all day long, bro. People are getting tired. Real talk. That's what is happening. If you want to know what the real truth is, look through us reactors' messages. And look at all the people complaining, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all supposed to have a YouTube channel. And y'all supposed to be talking about, you know, different stuff and showing the village life and what's going on in the village. You know what I mean? Like, real talk. Y'all always asking for donations. Y'all are the king of donators. The king of donations. Y'all are the king of donations. Order in the court. And we tired of it. Yeah, the people tired of it, bro. Like, leave the people alone. Can you donate this? Mo want a business. Miss Ann want a business. Everybody want a business. Stop trying to use and abuse people for their money. Go out and work hard. Ain't that what Ma was saying? Y'all the one lazy. Y'all are the one lazy. Because what y'all doing now is begging people for money all day. You ain't never had me come on here one time and ask for one dime from nobody. You ain't never had happen one time. So y'all need to check yourself. Real talk. Y'all need to check yourself. That's real as it get. We just letting the public know what time it really is. Don't get mad at us. Because we standing up. If you don't stand for something, you're going to fall for anything. Come on, man. But let me tell you, I just want to end this like this. Say it's good news today, man. So, GoFundMe is asking Aaron Dante to show where these donations is going. So GoFundMe is on the prowl now. So this court, we about to take this to the next level. So we just waiting to see what Aaron Dante gonna do now. You feel what I'm saying, bro? Ain't nobody playing no games, brother. Yeah, GoFundMe wanna know where the money at. So you need to go ahead and show GoFundMe what you did with the money. Stop being transparent. Because listen, bro, right and right is wrong is wrong. And best believe you me, it had to been a bunch of people that asked GoFundMe to see where this money is at. So it ain't just us. So don't take nothing personal on anything we do. Ask the people who reporting y'all. Look on our reactors message box and how many people reporting. Yeah, you got a bunch of us to look at. You know what I'm saying? Don't look at just my message box. You got Black Beauty TV. You got Modesta Lifestyle. You got Crook Traveler. You got A.H. Quell. You got Pastor Boxman. You got, hey listen, you got Gort Metropolis. You got African Reactor. Go look on their message box. And then you'll understand that this ain't nothing personal against you. The people are asking, and they're asking us to ask you. The people are asking us to ask you, where is their money? Where is the donations? So we're just the messengers. Let me say that one more time. We're just the messengers doing our job. That's all we're doing. Peace.